guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a makeup tutorial with Deck of Scarlet. So I do have the number 14 palette as well as their makeup kit. So I'm going to get into both of these in a second, but really quickly before jumping into the tutorial, I want to go ahead and give Deck of Scarlet a shout out for sponsoring this video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in and watching my channel, showing me love. It is always appreciated. So as you all know, Deck of Scarlet is a monthly subscription box, and you can go ahead and subscribe and receive their monthly palettes that they create with really popular YouTubers. And they also have makeup kits, so they have expanded their categories and you can try different kits, which I also have here today. So we're gonna get into that in a second. I'm not really sure where this look is going, but this palette is kind of more of like a blue cool tone palette, so that's really why I'm wearing this top today, kind of keeping it in the blues family. So now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into this month's palette, which is created by OK La. So definitely shout out to her for creating this beautiful palette. Now there is a highlighting stick with this, so I should probably pop this out at the same time. I'm really interested in using this cream highlighter. It looks gorgeous. It's like a blue tone. Again, everything's more like a cool blue tone, which I really am used to a lot of warm tones. Let's go ahead and open this palette up. Okay, so here is the palette. I love the colors. Again, it's really cool toned, but I am down to try new colors, new tones, new everything, right? You should always be evolving and growing, and in makeup you should definitely keep it moving too. So as you can see, you have 3 eyeshadow shades. You have a highlighter, a bronzer, 2 lip glosses. But let's go ahead and give these a swatch. I'm gonna swatch Siren, which is a really beautiful green metallic shade. So let's give that a swatch right here. Ooh, that is so pretty. And I never really wear blues or greens on the eye. We're definitely gonna play with this color today, I think. I'm not too sure. So the next one we have is Atlantis, which is a really beautiful like steel gunmetal gray tone. It has like purple, it's like a dual chrome almost. It has like a purple hue to it, which is really pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch that right next to Siren. So we have Siren and then we have Atlantis. Now I did want to play with the green tone, but I'm really feeling this gunmetal silver tone. I don't know, guys. That gray is kind of winning me over. Next we have Sandcastle, which is a really great kind of wash of an all over color on your eyelid or to set your eyeshadow primer. So, you know, always good stuff. And that is this one right here. It's kind of like an eggshell color. Definitely gonna be laying that on my eyes to set. And the next one we have is Solar, which is the bronzer here, and I love the color of this bronzer. I have a feeling I'm gonna pop this out of there and put it in my own personal like everyday kit. So let's go ahead and swatch that right here. Ooh, see, look at that color. I'm feeling that. I like that. I like that a lot. The next thing we have is the blue highlighter, which is called Sea Glow, and I think this is going to be like an inner corner highlight because this is definitely too cool for my skin tone. So, you know, you definitely have to play and figure things out. So let's swatch this. Let's put this right in between everything. I'm running out of space on my hands, but we're going to make that work. So you see how pretty that is? It's like a powder blue silver tone, and there is a card in here that really explains the colors, but I'm just kind of giving you like my first hand of what I see, and that's absolutely stunning. Do you see how glowy this kit is? I love it. It's definitely the summer glow. And you guys, don't mind my hair, I keep looking at it in the camera because it was a fast updo, so excuse the hair. The next thing we have is Abyss, which is a blue lip gloss, and Seashell, which is like a champagne lip gloss. Let's go ahead and swatch both of those. Ooh, so Abyss is actually more purple than I thought it was gonna be. So it's okay. So this is probably a lipstick. It's really pigmented, so I'm thinking this is a lipstick. Okay, so I did check it out, and these are both lip colors. So on me, the Seashell really is matching my own skin color and tone, so it's really meshing in with my skin. But as you can see, Abyss is like, ooh, Abyss is popping. That's that really beautiful purple pigmented shade. So let's get into it, shall we? The first thing I'm going to go into is Sandcastle, which is the all over wash of color. I'm going to use this to just kind of set the brow bone as well as the transition and crease area. Really not going to worry about going onto the lid area. Ooh, this is really pigmented. Do you see how that just lifted my brow? I really like this. This is probably another shade, again, that I'm gonna pop out of here to put into my normal everyday kit. So I'm actually just gonna bring it down to the lid. Just set the whole lid. And if you're wondering, I don't use anything special for my eyeshadow primer. I go in with my concealer, and that is all. So the next thing I'm gonna go into is Solar, and Solar is the bronzer color. And we're just gonna place that right into that transition and just tap that into there. It's really pigmented. You don't wanna start off with too much on your brush because you can never take away, but you can always add more. So just remember to start off slow and, you know, go deeper if you need to, go darker if you need to. This shade is really meshing in with my own skin tone. Okay guys, we are back. My camera stopped recording, but you didn't miss much. I'm just basically doing the same thing that I did to this eye. But as you all know, I love to bring my crease and transition shade pretty high because I have a lot of space between here. If you don't have as much space as I do not do what I'm doing. Obviously tailor these looks to your own personal eye shape because all of our eyes are different. So definitely keep that in the back of your mind when you're doing your makeup. Like, do not follow the exact placement steps of someone else's eye if they do not look like yours. So I was saying earlier that I do get comments from you guys stating that I kind of speed through my tutorials, and it's not that I'm speeding, guys. It's that I've done my face for so many years that I know where to place things. I know how to blend things. I know my face. So I could definitely, you know, slow down for you guys. And really, this is slow for me. When I do these tutorials, this is like me going in slow motion. So just wanted to put that out there. Okay, so now that we have the transition laid down, we did our brow bone, we did our transition. I am not sure if I want to go with blue or green. This is a really hard decision. You know, let's go with green. Okay guys, let's go in with that green color. I did wet my brush, so you might want to do that as well. Ooh, did you see that pigmentation? That is gorgeous. Yes, that is stunning. Wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place some more. Ooh, we love it. We love it. This was a good choice. This is absolutely stunning. Do you guys see that color? Okay, I might have to go in with a deeper shade just on the outer corners, just to give it, you know, a little bit of depth there, but I love it. I'm not sure if I can pull off just like the green, the full green lid. So I'm just gonna go in and place a deep brown in the outer corner. It's just a cool tone, deep brown, like nothing too crazy, like you can find it no problem. So I'm gonna actually pop that just in the outer corner here, just to deepen that up just a little bit. Okay, yes, I like how that's looking. We're gonna go back into that bronzer shade, and we're just gonna pop that right above that brown shade that we added, just to marry everything together. And that is it. I love how this green is popping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back because I wanna place a brown eyeliner at the bottom of my eyes. So I'm gonna come back with the brown eyeliner and eyelashes, and that is the only thing that I'm gonna do. Actually, you know, we should do, well, I think I mentioned this earlier, but I wanted to use this like powder baby blue metallic highlighter as like my inner corner pop of a highlight. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And as you guys know, I use the butt of my brush to apply that because I just feel like it applies it the most pigmented and the most precise. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Do you see how that just like packs it on there? It's really hard to get a nice pack of color with bristles for the inner corner. Woo! Now that is an inner corner highlight if I've ever seen one, okay? Woo! She didn't come to play. She didn't come to play. So I'm gonna go ahead, line my eyes on the bottom. And we're gonna come back and I'm gonna have lashes on and brown liner at the bottom of my eyes. And we're gonna use the rest of the products in the kit. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that brown. I'm just running that underneath the waterline where I put that deeper brown shade that we use in the outer corner. Okay guys, so we are back and this is how the eyes are looking. I really love it. So the next thing we're gonna get into is the kit that I was telling you guys about. This is the Hollow Glam kit. So this is like everything iridescent, holographic type of kit. And I believe they have, yeah, they have strobe drop. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on the back of my hand so you can really see how that looks. And then we have a really beautiful like holographic pink lip gloss and it's called Supernova Lip Shine in Halo and it's absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna put that on my lips today. And the last thing we have is this really gorgeous Deck of Scarlet liquid glitter eyeshadow. And this is called Galactic. So I was thinking of actually placing this on this eyeshadow look right here. So I'm gonna close my eyes a little bit and I'm just gonna place that. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot, Charmaine. Hold on, hold on. We're just gonna go ahead and do a little spotlight type of look here. Okay, do you guys see this? Ooh, I hope you can see this. I know my lashes are pretty extreme, but what's new, right? You guys know how I roll with the lashes, so. This really is stunning though. So I'm gonna use my finger, and I got it on my lash a little bit. I'm gonna use my finger, pat that in. Bean, will you stop barking at that dog outside? Mommy is filming. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay, so you guys know Bean. I don't really show him on camera. Come here. Come here, Bean. Come here, jump. Come here. So this is Bean. Yes, he's huge. Look at my baby. My baby. He's huge, guys. Like, he's a big guy. He's over me. Okay. So, this is the look so far, which I'm really loving. Okay, so the lip gloss is another product that I was like wowed by. So, I'm just gonna put that on my lips. Ooh, that's pretty. This is a type of lip gloss that you wear by itself, you know? I'm not sure if you can see that, but it has like a blue-green iridescence to it. Ooh. This is really pretty. Yeah, I really like how this gloss looks. So the last thing we have in the kit for the number 14 palette is this stick right here, which is called Nymph. Let's just go straight into that. It's a really pretty, ooh, you know what I love about this? It's not lifting up my foundation underneath, and it's giving me that wet, glowy look. Ooh, do you see that? It's like giving me that wet J-Lo type of vibe. And we're just glowing everywhere, everywhere. Don't go too crazy if you're oily like me, because you're gonna be like producing a lot of oils and you already have this on your face. So don't go ham, just, you know, go lightly and then let your natural glow come through. But really loving this glow. And if you're interested in signing up for the Deca Scarlet monthly subscription box, go ahead and click the link down below. It'll save you 30% off of your first order from Deca Scarlet. So that's really cute, right? Always good to save some money. And yeah, this is my look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials. Yeah, I want to know if you think I should do my own little like intro for my channel, because I've been saying hey guys for the past 6 years, guys. 6 years. Hey guys. So if you have an idea of what you think I should do for my intro, please drop me a message on IG at the BYB or here. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking. Please give me a like. Please subscribe. It is free. Join the family. And yeah, I'll be forever grateful and I will forever love you if you do that. So that is my tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you guys in my very next video.